Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In the last video we learned about variables and numbers. Today we're going to learn about strings and text in Python. How to work with words and sentences in your program. Let's get started. A string is basically a text. It can be letters, words, or sentences, anything inside quotes. For example, we write message equals hello world, and then we print the message. Now we can run it. Here we created a variable called message and sorted the string hello world in it. When we print it, Python shows the text on the screen. Now we will talk about single quotes, double quotes, and triple quotes. For example, we can write single equals, we put single quotes, and we can write Python is fun. For the next one, we can write double, and we can put double quotes, and we write I love coding. For the next one, we write triple, and we can put triple quotes just like that, and we can also write it as a multi-line that we put this is, then we can press enter and a multi-line and then another enter and string. This is how we write a multi-line. Now we print all three of them. Python allows single quotes, double quotes, and triple quotes. Triple quotes are useful for multi-line text. It can go across several lines. Then we can learn about combining strings. We can write first name equals double quotes, and we write Alex. And for the last name, we can write last name equals Smith. And we write full name, and we say first name plus, and then we put double quotes, and we put a space, and then again plus, and we put last name. Then at the end, we write print full name. Here, we now run it. As you can see, we can combine strings using the plus symbol. And in here, we joined first name and last name with a space between them to make a full name. Now, we can continue with formatting strings. We can write with age equals 12, and then we write name equals Alex. And then we can print it with F string, and we put the double quotes, we say my name is, we put the name, and then we write and I am, and then we put the age, and then years old. This is called an F string. It let us insert variables directly into the text. It's a clean and easy way to mix text and numbers. Now we continue with common string methods. We write text equals Python is fun. And we write 4 prints, and in one of them we write text dot upper. In the next one we put text dot lower. The next one put print text dot title, and the last one we write text dot replace, and inside we put fun. Instead of fun, we put awesome. Python has also built-in methods to change text, like the replace one. The upper text, it makes all the letters uppercase. The lower, it makes all the letters lowercase. Title, it capitalizes each word, and replace a part of the text with something else that we write. Awesome! Now you know how to work with strings in Python, creating text, combining it, formatting it, and even using some cool string methods. In the next video, we'll learn about input and output, how to get information from the user and display it in our programs. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe. See you in the next one.